See the whistle like a lover's sunshine upon the fields of barley. Feel her body rise when you kiss her mouth among the fields of gold. Never made promises like you. There have been some that I've broken. I swear in the mist you left, you walk in fields of gold. You walk in fields of gold. Hot water. Many years have passed since those summer days among the fields of barley. See the children run as the sun goes down among the fields of gold. You remember me when the west wind moves upon the fields of barley. You can tell the sun in its jealous sky when we walked in fields of gold. When we walked in WRCH. Yeah, every kiss is a door. Can I knock on yours? Can we knock a little more? If a touch is a key, keep on twisting, keep on locking, keep on turning me. Let me in. I wanna be closer to you, let you under my skin. I let you in. You gotta be careful with it, let me tell you again. Hey, love so soft, you be had nothing softer. Break it, then you buy it, and it's sure gonna cost you. Love so soft that you can't rub off. You gon' love it if you try it. Got you hooked, now you caught up. Love so soft, so soft. Love so soft, so soft. If the thought was the truth, we'd be doing all the kinds of things I know you wanna do. But I need to know. Will you protect me, respect me if I let you close? Let me in. I wanna be closer to you, let you under my. Gotta hold it tight, gotta let it go, baby. Let it give you life. Love so soft, you ain't had nothing soft. Do it, you ain't had it. Is love so fragile and the heart so hard? Shadow in the words, impossible to be. My city of mountains, stay with me, stay. I need you to love me, I need you today. Give to me your love, take from me my place. You in the moonlight with your sleepy eyes. Could you ever love a man like City of Mountain, stay with me, stay. I need you to love me, I need you today. Give me your love, take from me my days. Lovers forever, face to face. Like 100.5 WRCH, Alicia Keys, and Fallen. Well, she got a great voice, doesn't she? Rich Conaway in for Chuck today. Boy, the Olympics. You enjoy it as much as I am watching this every single night. You know what I like about the Olympics and is watching the stories behind the athletes and their struggle it took and they did. And
to the contest at WRCH.com.
Bob Cox checks your forecast. Mark Christopher, the traffic. Everything to start your week the light way. It starts Tuesday morning at 5:30. Alan, Mike, and Mary on Light 100.5 WRCH.
You don't become a good listener overnight. It takes practice. For more than 100 years, we at Mutual of Omaha have been listening to our customers. Not to Wall Street, not to outside shareholders. We listen to you. In that time, we've learned that behind every conversation we have about insurance lies something much bigger. The hopes and dreams of our customers. And we love to hear about them. Because we know it's bigger than
those drawings, then these are fraudulent claims and there are no... Be sure to purchase your lottery tickets from retailers displaying the official Connecticut Lottery retailer sticker, not from a website, by mail, or by phone. The Connecticut Lottery and Department of Consumer Protection want to protect lottery players. If you need information or feel you have been contacted by a scammer, call the Connecticut Lottery Security immediately at 860-713-2700 or visit ctlottery.org. Use your game sense. Must be 18 or older to purchase.
I'm Jim Evinger, CEO of Renew Sleep Solutions. Spending more time with family is one of the top New Year's resolutions. But if your snoring and sleep apnea has you on the couch every night, it's going to take more than a resolution to get you back into the bedroom. Are you ready to stop snoring and treat your sleep apnea without a big, bulky CPAP mask or painful surgery? The Renew Sleep System from Renew Sleep Solutions is the FDA-cleared, compact, comfortable, custom-fit solution that's proven to stop snoring and treat your sleep apnea. The Renew Sleep System is covered by most medical... to be solved. We are children that need to be loved. We were rivers enough. What about us? What about all the times you said you had the answer? What about us? What about all the broken happy ever after? What about us? What about all the plans that ended in disaster? What about trust? What about us?
you like the answer. So what about us? What about all the broken happy ever afters? Hey, what about us? What about all the plans that ended in disaster? What about trust? What about us? What about us? What on a tired radio, and I won't tell no one your name. And I won't tell them your name. I won't tell them your name. This is what you came for.